Stop filling the void between you and Allah with this world and its pleasures. That movie can't save you. That celebrity can't save you. That friend can't save you. In fact, even you can't save yourself. But Allah can save you, and only He can. The path to Him is easy, and it begins with a sincere intention. All you have to do is remind yourself that you are here. Because of Allah, and a day will come when you will return to Him. On that day, you can either be among those He is pleased with or among those He is displeased with. Right now, in this dunya, perhaps you can handle discomfort and unhappiness. But not in the Akhirah, not in Jahannam. So, don't take a risk you know you can't handle. Don't let the days slip by you. Don't lose an opportunity to be in the company of the prophets of Allah. Pay attention to your worship. Pay attention to all His words. Follow His laws and spend your nights calling out to Him. If you want to love, love for His sake. And if you want to hate, hate for His sake. If you want peace, ask Him to give it to you. If you want contentment, tell Him you're pleased with Him. And when the adhan is called, run for salah because your life depends on it. When you're done with it, stand up again and pray the sunan. Worrying about your final abode and let the fear soften your heart. Then give in charity to save yourself from the fire. Focus less on worldly desire because what makes you happy today can break you tomorrow. Focus more on Allah because He is eternal. Rely more on Him than you do on yourself and the world combined. Then let your reliance on Him drive you to achieve what's impossible. Lose hope in pleasing people, for that is a myth, and work hard to please Allah, for there is no greater reality than Him. And after all of this, if you still feel broken, don't stop those tears from wetting your cheeks. Perhaps that will be your salvation from His anger. Perhaps that is what will keep bringing you back to Him, until you are finally taken back to Him. Until you hear greetings of peace from Him and His angels. Until you hear the words, "Enter my paradise," from Him, Allah, the one who never breaks His promises.